Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to talk about the practical ethical hacking course by Heath Adam. So this particular course is really very famous on internet. I mean, when I say internet, it's the Udemy. So in Udemy is a platform where there are different courses where you can learn. So this practical ethical hacking course by Heath Adam is really very high quality training material that he has delivered in this through this particular course. So we are going to talk about everything, what all things that he has covered, and basically give my review towards it. So if you are new to my channel, then please go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Do hit like and share this video so that everybody get to know about the content that I post quite regularly on YouTube. Now also I have provided the link to support me, as in like if you any donation if you want to make, that you can make, because I planning to invest all those money whatever I receive from YouTube to buy a few equipments that I can use for video recording to deliver more better and quality content. So let's jump into the today's content, that is your practical ethical hacking course by Heath Adam, or the Cyber Mentor. So this particular course is designed by Heath Adams, who is one of the very pro guy on when it comes to pen testing. He's pretty hugely experienced with respect to penetration testing. So what he has done basically is he has structured everything in a really nice manner, like starting from the content, that is your initial enumeration, to basics like your network basics, even web application security, all those things that he has structured in a really learning way, or that is your structured in a proper way, which and beginners can easily grab and learn. So the reason why I'm only recommending this particular course, because of the first thing, that is the structure. Now second thing is the amount of coverage that Heath Adams has done. He has covered almost everything that you need to basically kickstart your career in cybersecurity. So this particular course is around 24-hour, and what you can do basically is take up this course and split into multiple, like let's say plan for 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, whatever fits for you, and accordingly you start learning to this particular course. Now it may happen that some people will learn in quite faster way and some people will learn slight slower. When I say slower, it might take them more time to learn or grasp some of the concept. It depends from people to people, but typically ideally I would say take this course as a challenge, like for 1 month to 3 months, and just try to finish up. He has also covered like some of the live example. Unfortunately Udemy doesn't have the lab environment kind of things, but he has basically utilized Try Hack Me portal, or even he has utilized Vulnerable Hub or Hack the Box to solve some of the system to give you the practical experience through which you can gain the real life knowledge. So let's jump into the course content and review what all things that Heath is covering, so that you get a better idea, and let's see my point of view also.
So this is how the course actually look like, and if you scroll down you could see that 2020 launch and learn how to hack like a pro, just a brief description. In fact, it contains in details description right here, which says like you can learn without having prior knowledge, even if you are students or anybody, right? So what he has actually basically covered, I will just give some brief about it. So he has covered the first thing is a day in the life of an ethical hacker, which is pretty much like what an ethical hacker has to do and all those things. Next, he has spoken about the note keeping things, which is really important, so that you can keep track and all those things, right? The important part, he has explained about the networking refresher. I think he has explained in really nice way with a practical example about OSI model, subnetting, and all those things, which is also you will find in some of the like premium courses and other thing. The next thing he has explained about your Linux thing. Again, Linux is super important when it comes to ethical hacking. So he has explained a slight bit introduction about Linux, various commands, how you can automate some of the best scripting and other things. Really nice explained. Next, he has explained about Python. Again, Python is also one of the add-on which you need in order to perform some of the automation, run some of the script program and all those things. So he has explained that also, which will be really helpful. In fact, he has also made a small program for a port scanner and writing exploits in Python, which will definitely helpful. Next thing, he has given a slight bit about hacking methodology. So he has basically provided the theoretical part of this hacking methodology in a nice 5 stages way, but yeah, there are much more complicated way also exist, but however it is a good for an beginner to start with. Next part is your reconnaissance and information gathering, super important. I think he has covered, I believe, 40 to 50% of it. Of course, there are much more than that actually exist when it comes to your information gathering. He has spoken about some of the websites, some of domain gathering, and all those things, right? But it is again useful for a beginner to get started with. Next thing is your scanning and enumeration. This is one more area where he could have made it more better, but still he has explained a few of the Metasploit, Nessus, and other thing. I believe he has added web application security also, but he has not spoken anything related to the different web application scanner. But still, it is a good enough. Somebody has to know tools like your Nessus and all those things, and Metasploit, which is really nice way for a beginner. Next thing is exploitation basics. Again, this could have been really better, but whatever he has explained, it's in really nice way explaining or looking at things like manual exploitation or using tools like Metasploit, a brute force attack, and all those things. Some of the common attacks usually. Now the next thing is mid-course capstone, which is basically about the overview and other thing. And then he has gone ahead about the exploitation development, which is one of the I think nice way. He has solved some of the CTF. I have not got time to look through all, but yeah, really nicely done about the CTF stuff also. Final thing is about the Active Directory. I think this is one of the only course which will provide you Active Directory lab setup and pen testing and performing various attack on a network or Active Directory network using different tools and methodology, which is really nicely explained by Heath over here. The final couple of things is about the post exploitation. He has again gone ahead and explained few of the stuff. Then one of the things that he has explained, which could have been much more better, is your web application security, where he has explained some of the common attacks. Now, for a bug bounty, this is not sufficient basically to know about all these attacks. There are much more things that you need to learn. But for a beginner, of course, this is a really nice way to get started. Next is your wireless attack. Again, he has explained very few about the wireless attack, which could have been very wider topic. Again, he has said, I believe, the same thing inside the video, so you guys will have get better idea about those things. But yeah, wireless attack also one of the part of which somebody has to know if he's jumping into security. The legal documentation report writing, I believe he would have added or he should have added something related to the cyber laws and other thing, which I believe I didn't read anywhere much, but that should have been added as a part of this particular course. And yeah, it's good that he has added this legal documentation and report writing, super duper important in and professional life. And finally, about some of the career advice. So I believe overall he has explained everything in a really neat way or really clean way.
So I really like whatever the content that Heath has covered, and I hope you will have a great learning when you go through this particular course. Now this particular course is available by paying some $10 to $12. I have put the link in the description box. Do check that, and if you are interested and sign up. I basically try to reach out to Heath also to get some like coupon or some discount so that you can easily learn, but unfortunately he is like not able to reply. Maybe he's super busy with some different stuff. That's fine. The link I have added in the description, and yeah, you can avail the maximum discount. I will keep updating this link each time he basically provides some maximum discount. Also, do not forget to see what all shorts that I put in the YouTube channel so that you get daily or regularly updated. So also look at the posts that I post regularly on YouTube also, so that you get stay updated. Now one of the things that I recommend that he could have added or maybe he can update is like providing some specific module for cybersecurity law, which people usually don't know. But the good thing, he has provided the career advice and all those things, which is really great for a beginner. I hope you like this particular video. If you have any query or anything, do write in the comment box. I'll try to answer. Until the time, happy learning. Have a great time. Bye bye. See you soon.